Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. As you guys can probably hear, I am still a little sick. I am so much better than I was though. I actually stayed home all weekend. I didn't go anywhere, didn't do anything. I pretty much just laid around the house on the couch watching TV all weekend. Obviously my body just needed rest and I needed to recoup and I needed to get my body back to feeling better, and that's what I did. And Brian was gone like all day Saturday. Hold on a second. Battery, why does the battery, why? Okay, fresh battery, yay. Alrighty, so Brian was gone all day Saturday. He was down at the neighbor's house watching the football games, and since the football game, the Georgia game, started early on Saturday, he was down there by like noon because it was kickoff, and so they did like a brunch, but he was down there by noon and he did not get home until about 10:30 Saturday night. So I had like all day to myself. I watched a couple of movies. I watched the first Nun, which there's one out in the movie theater right now, and then there's the other one that's on like whatever, not pay-per-view, but Netflix or whatever. So I watched that, or on demand. So I watched that, and then later on that night, at 8 o'clock on HBO, The Shape of Water was on, so I watched that, and that was the first time obviously I had watched that movie. That movie won so many awards during like the Oscars or something, but I was like, why did this movie win so much? And now I know. That's like a really good movie. It's excellent. I absolutely loved it, and I highly recommend anybody watching it because it's really, really good. Give me just one second. Okay, I'm back, sorry. So highly recommend that movie. It's weird, it's slow, it's strange. I made Brian watch it with me yesterday morning because it was on HBO again, and he was like really intrigued, very interested at the very beginning, and then it started taking a really weird twist, and he's like, okay, yeah, they just took a weird twist and now it just got stupid. So he didn't care for it, but I liked it. I am gonna start my morning off with Starbucks. La la la.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks in Loganville. Can I have a name for your order?
Angie?
Angie, what can I get for you today?
Can I get a grande white mocha, please, with caramel drizzle caramel syrup?
Alright, what else can I get for you?
That's it.
Alright, $6.26.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go, Sandy and Susie. Have you guys tried yours yet? Let me know. Now I gotta pull out my phone and pay for this, so hold please. Alrighty, so I actually stopped off at my P.O. box because I had a delivery there that they forgot to give me the other day. So I went by this morning to get that, and then while I was there, I actually canceled my mailbox too because their prices were a little expensive, or getting expensive, and I decided to go ahead and switch to my local post office because that one is a lot cheaper for an entire year compared to a 6-month plan with the UPS. So I'm starting today on this vlog, I will no longer have that mailbox that has been posted down at the bottom. I've switched my mailbox, and I might actually sit down and just do a separate video for that as well. But in the meantime, I haven't got my new mailbox yet. I did sign up for it the other day. I just haven't been over to the post office yet to get my new address and everything. So once I get my new address for my P.O. box, I will give that to you guys. But from now forward, do not send anything to that old mailbox that I had down there at the bottom. So I'm gonna run into TJ Maxx really quick because I'm still looking for white pumpkins, and I'm gonna see if they have any, and if they don't, I'm gonna come back out. So cross my fingers and hope that they have some pumpkins. And of course, while I'm here, I need to look to see if they have any new Rae Dunn stuff, and they don't. So I'm not a fan of that stuff. I really don't care for that. But these are Rae Dunn. Oh, these are $40. Dang it. This is Rae Dunn. I love those bowls though, but I'm not gonna pay $40 for that. That's a bit much. All Alrighty, so I did find a few things in TJ Maxx, nothing major, no white pumpkins, but I did find some of the like little cotton ball stalks or cotton stalks, or yeah, is that what they're called? Anyway, I found some of those because I'm working on my tablescape in my dining room and I needed some of those the other day, and obviously all the ones that I have I'm using, so I needed new ones, I needed more. So anyway, and then I have another like this glass bowl with a lid sitting on top of my dining room table that needs a pumpkin in it, so that's why I'm looking for a white pumpkin. Oh crap, which I needed to really go to Hobby Lobby because I needed to get some, hold please. Oh no, that's not a cop, is it? I don't know. I actually needed to go to Hobby Lobby because I needed to find some more, I needed to find some more lamb's ear because I needed some more of that. So maybe on my way back I'll stop off at Hobby Lobby to see if they have any lamb's ear. But right now I'm gonna go to Kirkland's and see if they have any white pumpkins. I don't know if they did or not, but you know, they don't have to be like all the same kind of pumpkin, because like on my deck, you know what, I'm gonna go to Kirkland's anyway. I keep saying I'm gonna go to Kirkland's and I'm not gonna go to Kirkland's, and I'm gonna go to Kirkland's. I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby after I go to Kirkland's and see if they have what I need out there because I am looking for white pumpkins to finish my display on my table in my dining room. Sorry you guys, I'm like, my mind is like blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this week I have a very busy week ahead of me, and here I am running around, right? And then Wednesday I have to go get my nails done, but nonetheless I have a very busy week ahead of me. Brian's parents are coming in on Friday afternoon-ish, so I have a lot of things that I have to get done in my house, so I'm trying to get some of this stuff done now. That way, like all day tomorrow, I can focus on just getting my house done. I can focus on my house, you know, half the day Wednesday, all day Thursday, and then of course half the day today. I'll be focusing on my house. But I mainly I want to get obviously my dining room done because my dining room tablescape of my pumpkins and stuff all over the place. So that's what I'm mainly working on. That's why I'm going to Kirkland's. That's why I'm going to Hobby Lobby. So yeah. My nose is running and I have no tissue. I have to dig through the box, my glove box. So yeah, let's do that. Good times, good times. Alrighty, hey guys, so I'm back and I did run into Hobby Lobby really quick. I didn't find anything in I didn't find anything in Kirkland's that I didn't already have. So I just went back to Hobby Lobby and picked up some more of that lamb's ear and some little like cotton cotton ball thingies. I'll show you guys. So basically what I've been doing is I've been working on my tablescape for my dining room, and this is kind of what it looks like so far. I might decide to take it all apart and redo it again. It just depends on how I feel right now, but this is kind of what it's gonna look like, or kind of like an idea of what it's gonna look like. These are the little tiny things I picked up, the cotton. They're like little twigs. They just kind of look like this. And I just kind of stuffed them all over in here along with some of the lamb's ear. But this is kind of what I have come up with thus far. I'm not sure if I want to like take the pumpkin down, put a candle there, if I want to take that candle and put it back over here and put a pumpkin there. I just haven't really, I was playing with it a little bit. I kind of feel better if I put my pumpkins in a safer location and then put these candles like up here and like that. So it's kind of like what that would look like. But this is what I'm working on, and it's kind of frustrating, but I really wanted to utilize this year because it's just so pretty. So I think this is pretty much the way I'm gonna keep it because I like the way that it looks. I know it's like, it feels like it's a lot going on, and I feel like it's like further down here on my table than it is down here, and I've tried to even it out and like scoot this down a little bit, but that's like it. That's even on my table, so I don't know. I'm feeling like it's okay. I'm feeling like it's gonna be okay. And then I took down, well, I'm not gonna do it right now. I'll show you guys when I do my fall home decor tour, because I'll be doing that like this week. I'm gonna do that video, but it probably won't post until next week. So, but yeah, it's coming along nicely. And this is kind of what it looks like from behind. So I really like it. I think it's gonna be pretty. I think it looks nice. It's pretty. I like it. And I like the fact that it just turned out so nicely with the black and white, you know, buffalo print table runner. Yeah, my mind is just like not there. So there, I'm gonna put those together. There, so that's cute. Yeah, so that's what I've been like stressing myself out over, is trying to get my tablescape perfect. And yes, it has to be perfect. So right now though, it is about 10 to 12, and I am going to grab some lunch and then start cleaning up around my house. I made up my bed this morning before I left, so that's a plus. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and yeah, I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. So my Grove Collab order came in today. So I got 2 of the apple cider scent candles, which I'm super excited about. I can't wait to light these. I got 2 more of the apple cider scent soap. I got the dish soap, and I got 2 of the multi-surface cleaners, which is great because I'm about ready to take all of this stuff off of my counters and clean everything this week. This is like that week of deep cleaning everything. And I'm so glad that these came in because I was almost out of mine, and I'm like, I hope I ordered some of these with my Grove Collab. If you guys are interested in the Grove Collab, I have a discount code down in the description box below. You get $10 off your first order by using my code. Go for it. It's easy. It's simple. You guys will love it. You will not regret buying Miss Meyer's stuff. This stuff is amazing. And I absolutely love the dish soap because it just makes my kitchen and my area over there smell so nice and fresh, and like apple cider, pumpkins, and fall. So about ready to light these to make my house smell even better. Alrighty, so I got my couch completely like taken apart and cleaned up. I took the cushions off and fluffed them up and pulled the cushions back so they're all lined straight, so everything looks really nice. They're gonna like fold back under again. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like the rim right here, like it keeps getting like folded down. So I just basically just I just take them and unzip them and then just pull them back up, which works just fine. But anyway, so I did that and I vacuumed them and everything, took them all off and vacuumed underneath them, and then made it look all nice and pretty. I cleaned this little area up, so that's really nice. I've dusted everything over here, dusted everything. I've swept. I just haven't mopped yet. That's probably gonna be my last thing that I do. And then I have a bunch of like Halloween decorations that I'm not gonna be using this year. So I actually need to take them back up to the man cave, and this is the stuff right there that I'm not going to be using. I'm going to actually put those little decorative pumpkins inside of these and take those red things out, but this stuff I'm not going to use this year because I'm pretty much just, you know, I changed over to the farmhouse look. So right now this is kind of what this looks like for now, and I don't want to give too much away because I'm gonna be doing a home tour, so you guys be ready for that. I probably will like do the home, I'm going to film the decor tour like this week, but it probably won't go up till one day next week. It might actually even go up, I don't know, whenever. Let's see. I actually might, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, I'll get it done and then I'll decide when I'm going to put it up. I've cleaned up the kitchen. I'm happy that this is all clean and ready to go. All I have to do is like mop the floor, which I won't do until Friday morning. That way it's nice and clean. That's pretty much how I'm gonna do all the floors, is mop them on Friday morning because they're not coming until Friday afternoon. So that way all of the floors will be freshly mopped and good to go, because my luck, I will mop this floor and we will spill something. No doubts about it. That's what's gonna happen, because it happens all the time. It happens in everybody's house. Trust me, it happens. But anyway, other than that, I just took some sheets out of the bed, I just took some sheets out of the dryer that I need to fold up and put away. And then I need to make, start making my list of what I need to get done. Like, I started taking some of my totes upstairs to my craft room up there. I have to focus on my bathroom, the guest bedroom, the upstairs, and yeah, that's what I have to get done. So a lot of things that I have to get done, but I'm thankful that this room is completely done, dusted, and everything is in its place. Everything is where it's supposed to be. Just a bit of, obviously, little tweaking on Friday, but for the most part, all of that stuff is done. My main goals is guest bedroom, bathrooms, and upstairs. So I will take you guys along with me on that cleaning journey this week, because I'm gonna be doing a deep clean on both bathrooms, guest bedroom, and the upstairs. So with that being said, I'm gonna end today's vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening. Bye.